So today I'm going to tell you about how to copy a list. And up till so far we have seen how to update a list and how to modify the list. But in this session, in this video, I will be telling you about how to copy the list. Okay, so let's see. So how can we make the copy of a list? A slice creates a new list from an old one. Okay, now recall this. I have told you all these things in the earlier sessions, earlier videos, how to extract the element, how to get the specific value and all those things. So just by doing this and assigning this to the next variable, assigning a new variable for storing this, you get the copy of your list. How? Let's see. Here what I'm trying to do, I'm omitting both endpoints given a full slice. What I'm doing, I'm just omitting the both endpoints. So what will this resemble? This will resemble same as that of this, which we have seen in the earlier videos. This is the starting range and this is the ending range, and it will give you the complete list. This completely resembles like this. So if you write like this or if you write like this, both meaning is same. So to make a copy of a list, use a full slice. So this is full slice, and what I'm trying to do over here, in this example, I'm copying list 1, complete list 1 values to list 2. I'm copying one list to another variable. Okay. Let me tell you little bit in detail what I'm trying to do. Suppose, so here we have two lists, list 1 and list 2. So list 1 is containing 1, 2, 3, and now I want to copy list 1 to list 2. So that I declared one variable list 2, and now I will copy list 1 to list 2. So how will I copy this? Just by giving a range. So here I want to copy complete list 1. I want to copy the value of complete list 1. So what I will do, I'll simply write list 1 and then I will give a range. Here we can give ranges in two ways, that is by omitting both the ends or by giving the starting and the ending length, starting and the ending point, and you know that the starting will be 0 and ending will be the length of that list. And this is how you can copy list 1 to list 2 or one list to another. So this was the logic behind copying of list. So I hope you got this. Let's jump into the interpreter and let's see it practically. What will I do first? I'll create a new file as I want to copy. So I'll create new file for it. Copy list dot py, and before this I need to write code. Now control save and it's done. Now this is my first example, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our list, and I'm now assigning a new variable list 2, and what I'm trying to do over here, I'll copy list 1 to list 2. So how can I copy list 1 completely to list 2? Just by giving a specific range. So here I'm giving a range by omitting both starting point and the ending point. So, and now I will print list 2, and let's see what will be our output. So Python copy list dot py, and here you can see that we are getting the same list which was in the list 1, all the values of the list 1. So yeah, we successfully copied our list into the next variable. Let's see one more example. I will comment this out, and my next variable is this. List 1 equals to 2, 3, 5, 6, and now what will I do? I'll make a variable list2 which contains value this. Now what I'll do, I'll create a next variable list3 and I'll omit both the starting and the ending, and both starting and ending value, and this is known as full slice. This thing is known as full slice. Okay, this completely is known as full slice. And now after this, just giving the variable name like list1. So I'm omitting complete starting and the final position and giving a full slice length, full slice list, and the list name is list1, and I wanted to copy list1 to list3, so here it is. And now will copy list2 to list4. So you can also see that what will happen. You can see this. So what we have to do, just printing them. So list3 list4. Okay, now here we go. You can see we are getting our list. So yeah, we successfully copied our list. I hope you got this. Now in the next video, I will be telling you about degradation and equality. What basically degradation and equality means, what are the differences between the list copying and all those things. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. And I hope you are getting all this. Please support me, subscribe my channel, and there is comment section. You can comment me any query, any doubt related to Python, Java, any such thing, but please your comment should be relevant. So I hope you got this. Bye bye.